In Myfocus YouTube channel, let us see the diphthong sound oi. Practice it again with me. Oi, oi, oi. Practice these oi sound words. These are the diphthong sounds. Moist, choice, voice, boy, toil, coin, tie, oil, boil, foil, spoil, giant, point, hoist, soil, enjoy, voice, nice, coy, joy, annoy, avoid, royal. I have listed 3 sentences which has oi, the diphthong sounds in it. Let's practice it together. Noisy boys play with unoiled toys. Moi joyfully hoisted the flag. She toils in the soil. Practice the diphthong sound oi regularly for an effective pronunciation. Thank you for watching the video.